Hi lovelies, wellness workshops. There were wellness workshops scheduled for Cairns, Mackay and Rockhampton. On the Cairns on the 30th, Mackay on the 31st and Rockhampton April 2nd. They, like a whole bunch of other events, have been cancelled in that format, and we're going to do them as a Zoom. So those of you who have already registered would have received an email notifying you, but those that haven't booked in, I have the Zoom link. So if you could message me and I'll give you the Zoom link. It's going to be a fun session. I'm really, actually, I shed a tear or two when I learnt that they were not going ahead, because they are just fantastic with the blends. I might be sneaky. We're not going to get you doing the blends as we do the talk, but if I no, you can just tune in and then you will get the blend card and then you can make the blends yourself. So there's and they're not just all roller blends. There's some other sneaky exciting bits in there as well. So let me know if you were planning on coming along and bringing your friends. I'm actually devastated, because it's such a fabulous learning opportunity, and it was corporate that were doing it, not just us usual ones. But in this interesting times, a lot is going online. So comment below if you would love to tune in. So that'll be, I presume the times will still be the same, 6:30 to 8:30. The Cairns one is on the 30th, Mackay on the 31st and Rocky on the 2nd. But if you have friends in other places and they want to tune in and that time, like say the 31st works for them, they can tune in. But I can't blanket give out the link, so I need you to come to me and request that Zoom link. If I send it to you and you open it up on a laptop, that's easy peasy. If you're going to open it on your mobile device, you will need to download the app. So super easy on the laptop. So message me and let me know what who's coming along and to which one. That'd be a good idea. Put your name and Mackay, and then if you have other friends there that you're inviting, then put their name there and which one works for them. Thanks guys, bye.